Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this short video, I will say a few words about the latest features provided by Datta Pro, which is a premium startup built on top of Django. In this latest version, we try to improve all the core feature of the product, like API charts, data tables, got some new updates, Celery tasks, media files manager, extended user profiles, and of course Docker support. In order to visualize all these features, feel free to access the link that it will be saved in the on YouTube on the video in the commentary section, and also we can say a few words here. So once you access the live demo, you should see this simplified layout, which is with fewer items on the sidebar. So this is the by default the information is filtered for the guest users, and in order to to see all the features, you need to sign in. Go here, click to sign in, and we provide by default two default credentials. The test user is an ordinary user, and admin it's a super user. And the sidebar and the options are different for these two profiles. For now, we will use the default test user. And in order to authenticate, please copy paste here the credentials, and you should be able to authenticate. Once authenticated in the application, all the pages, assets, and features of the starter are unlocked, and we will go here to the apps menu, where we can see all the functional modules that are provided in this version. We have here the charts, which are using Apex charts to showcase the information. The API is provided, is built on top of DRF. Data tables, we have here a classic paginated information, where we can navigate back and forth. We can search, we can filter the information by adding new filters. We can hide and show columns. Also, we can set up the number of items, and of course export all the information once we isolate what is relevant for our reports. Another feature is the file manager, which allows your users to save files in the media directory, and like this they can visualize the information. By clicking on this control, they can delete, of course, the information, and also they can attach some a label. Let's say this image is important. Once you save this label, you can see here as a bullet this information. Profile lets you update the information related to each user. Might be useful when you try to save, let's say, an email address to contact your clients, a phone number, and other things that are relevant for your service. If we go back to the data tables, I will present all the features, because we've included in this version a lot of things requested by the community. The first one are the filters, where the information that allows you to filter the information. Let's see how it looks without filters. So we have a lot of records. If we go back and filter the information, let's say I want to see only the sales that are coming from the USA, I will submit the filter. Now the information looks different. I have only the filters from the sales from the USA. And let's say I want to see only the sales that are not refunded, so I will add this field here, and now we can see only the sales that are related to the USA and were successful. On top of this, we have also search. Let's say I want to combine the filters with the search, and once I click the search, we can see here the information is filtered. Of course, all the items are editable. You can update the information. The filters are persistent once the page is submitted, so we have full control. If we go to the charts, which showcase the same information as data tables, both are managing the same model. In the backend, we have the new feature that was added to this to the charts page are the filters where we can apply. Let's say I want to see only the sales that are for this month. I will hit the button. The information is updated, and once the report it's okay, I visualize the report. I can clear the filters, and the default layout it's reloaded again. So guys, this is the starter. It's production ready. Comes with a simple super modular structure. Let me access the product page. If we access the documentation, also if we go to the source code, we can deploy this starter right away, only using a few clicks with render. On top of this, the starter comes with a Docker file, so it can be easily deployed on any cloud provider like AWS or DigitalOcean. In case you need support, we provide deployment support, but this is not included. A lot of users ask us, okay, help us to deploy to AWS. This is not included by default in any license. We have here a small fee for this effort, so feel free in case you need a little bit of help. We can assist, but this is not included in the pricing. Also, the price that it's listed here on the cards, we have a nice discount right now, and in order to unlock it, you just need to click here, and you will see the discounted price. So it's not this price is the discounted price that you will pay. So it's discounted with in this case we have Mr. Boost coupon, and you will get a lower price. If we want to deploy it on render, let me explain how can be done easily. I will create a new repository. Now the repository is duplicated. Okay, I will go here to render.eiml, and I will edit the name. It's all good. Now I will access render. We are using render, which is a Heroku-like deployment platform. We are using render to quick deploy for a fast deploy of our demos and prototyping projects and other things that we need a super fast deployment. So basically you just need to have this render.eiml, and of course if you want to set up the compilation steps and other things, you can inject this build.sh, which is saved in the root of the project. Let's take a look at this script. So here we provide the basic steps to set up the starter, like pip installation, collect static, and migrate the database. Okay, let's go back to the repository and render. I will access the render dashboard, go to the blueprints. I will create a new blueprint. Okay, apply. Now the deployment is started by render. I will add the Python version. By default, we are using 3.12.0. I hope it's correct. And we can check out here the progress. Deploy environment update. Okay, let's take a look at the deployment log. And if all is good, we should be able to access these live deployments in just a few minutes. On top of this, you have a CI/CD already set up, so this means once you update the code base, once you update the sources and save the changes on this branch, the changes trigger automatically or a new deployment on render, and like this you don't have to worry about configuration, server configuration, and jinx and other things. All those are taken care about by the render platform, which is quite amazing in my opinion. Okay, now the packages are installed. We need to wait a bit. Once the deployment is finished, we should be able to access the live servers here, this address. Right now it's a subdomain on render, but you can easily attach a naked domain like your site.us or something. So it's quite easy. You need to go here to the settings, and you have a lot of options. Repository branch, your command, auto deploy, custom domains, and like in this section you can attach a domain, and you are good to go with your service. Until the application is started, we can go back to AppSeed. So in case anyone have issues, feel free to access the homepage, go to the support, join Discord, or simply send us an email. So it's quite easy to get help from our team. Also, the community that we have in Discord are supportive, and they are willing to help. So feel free to join it. But in case you are not using Discord, just send us an email, and we will try to help in all cases. Okay, so the build was successful. Now at this point, compilation looks good, the log looks good, so we should be able to access the application. So we can see that all is good. We can authenticate. Let's use the test users. We are in. We can go here, visualize the charts, set up filters, and all should be okay. That's pretty cool. We have here the filters. Let me country USA. So we are good, guys. Thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the starter. In case you land on a bug, join the Discord, send us an email, tell us what you think. Also, we can help with the live deployment in case anyone needs to deploy the service on render, AWS, DigitalOcean, GCP, or Azure. We have a package for this, and in all cases we will try to help. Thanks again for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye guys.